Hey, this is just a small part of the complete YI4k Plus gimbal vlogging setup. If you're interested in how to build the complete setup, check out the link in the top right hand corner. But now, let's check out the audio tests. Quick little audio test with the internal microphones of the YI4k Plus, internal volume set to low, then raised in post-production to an adequate level. I could have also set them to high, but whenever I do this with my camera, and hopefully that's just my camera, there's some kind of a high-pitched noise coming in that totally ruins the audio for me. Also, I'm shooting this in 4K Ultra Video mode to show you that in fact the dead cat doesn't show up on screen. Now these were the internal microphones set to low. Now let's check out what they can do for us set to high. Same little test, internal microphones of the YI4k Plus, internal volume set to high this time. And in my opinion, this is overdoing it a little. It's too loud. So, if you want to use the internal microphones, my recommendation is to use the low setting and then later on in post-production, raise the audio volume to where it makes sense. So much for the internal microphones. Let's check out what the external microphone can deliver. And now this is what you're getting from the Dji Flexi Mic. Hands down the best overall audio performance. No motor noise whatsoever, no high-pitched noise, wind protection, and should you feel like narrating a scene from behind the camera, just flip the mic around and get going again. So much for mic comparisons. Let's move on to wind noise tests. Once again, this is just a small part of the whole video. If you're interested in how to build the complete setup, check out the video in the top right hand corner. So if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching and hopefully see you again soon.